Hi everyone! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH at ito ay isang astrology reading for you. Meron tayong full moon in Aries ngayong September 29, 2023 at 5:57 p.m. Philippine Standard Time. So if you're living outside of the Philippines, i-check nyo na lang kung kailan yung eksaktong oras at araw ng full moon sa inyong lugar. So this is also called harvest moon kasi ito yung panahon ng pag-ani, no, or culmination ng mga nasimulan natin way back nung March 2023. Pero bago tayo magsimula, ipopromote ko lang ang aking mga power bracelets. Ayan, so this is for attraction of money, abundance, prosperity, love, intuition. Meron din tayong mga for protection, mga anti-evil eye, anti-inggit. And then, meron din tayong for balancing your chakras. At meron din tayong mga intention oils, multi-purpose oils for setting your intentions. And then, meron din tayong spell jar for protection and prosperity. So, lahat po yan available sa ating Shopee. Link on the description. Let's continue. Itong full moon in Aries is also a super moon, so malakas ang energy nito. Ang tema ng full moon in Aries is to let go, to release our ego na minsan kasi hindi naman kailangan nating ipaglaban lagi na tayo ay tama. Sabi nga, choose your battles. Kasi may mga pagkakataon na nasasayang lang yung energy natin sa mga bagay na hindi naman talaga makakatulong sa atin, sa pag-unlad natin. Let's say, pinairal mo yung init ng ulo mo and hindi naman makakabuti sa'yo yon or doon sa tao na mapagbabalingan mo ng init ng ulo. Pwedeng magresulta lang yon ng problema or issues or conflict in the future. So, ang opportunity rito is to release any toxic situations na meron ka and pagkakaroon ng mas mature na pag-iisip, no, pagdating sa pag-handle mo ng emotions mo, na hindi ka dapat nagpapadalos-dalos, lalo na kapag medyo mataas yung emotions mo kasi ang Aries energy is about, yung ruled by Mars yan and Mars is about aggression, initiation, very fiery yung energy niyan. So ang goal dito is to embrace yung side mo na may mga pagkakataon talaga na medyo mataas yung energy mo when it comes to dealing with your emotions, lalo na kapag natitrigger ka. So that's why kailangan you need to control your energy, lalo na kung alam mo na panandalian lang yung emotion na yun, 'di ba? And then learning to surrender as well, na may mga bagay na hindi natin kayang makontrol at kung paiiralin natin yung init ng ulo, yung bugso ng damdamin, baka imbis na maayos ang isang problema, mas lalo lang magulo, 'di ba? And even sa pagte-take natin ng actions, minsan very impulsive tayo out of our emotions. So learn to stop, think, and reassess the situation bago tayo mag-take ng action. For you, Capricorn, the moon is in your 4th house of your family, your home, your security. So I think you are going to be focusing more on your family, no? And some of you maaring may mga renovations or pagdi-declutter sa bahay ninyo. You might, do spring cleaning or general cleaning to declutter, pagtanggal ng mga unnecessary things sa bahay para mas fresh ulit, no? Especially that October is coming in na rin. And then, merong mga challenges for you related rin sa yung career. Maari kasing marami kang gustong gawin for your family or para sa bahay mo, but you have a lot of responsibilities sa trabaho mo, sa career mo, sa business mo, and somehow medyo nahihirapan kang mag-manage ng oras mo or maglaan ng panahon, no, para magawa mo yung gusto mong gawin related sa family mo. So, this is the time for you to make that schedule, manage your time. You also have a challenging aspect sa 8th house tsaka sa 5th house, which is about your creativity. And also 8th house is your other people's money, business side. So maaring meron kang mga businesses or ginagawa ngayon, projects na somehow maraming mga pressure for you to do it or to complete it. Kaya lang kasi if you are doing something creative, kailangan dyan na you are inspired, excited ka, hindi dahil, kumbaga excited ka na gawin yun at hindi dahil sa kailangan mong gawin yun. You get what I mean? So example, you are an artist. So syempre, you cannot, let's say for example, artist ka or isang composer, ganyan. So, for you, mahirap mag-create ng songs kung hindi ka inspired or napilitan ka lang. So, maaring yun yung struggle ninyo ngayon. How to keep that inspiration flowing, yung creativity flowing. Yung iba naman, maaring meron kayong connection romantically na medyo mataas yung expectation sa inyo, especially when it comes to intimacy, no? Yung tipong gusto agad nila ng sexual connection, pero you're not yet ready. So, be careful in getting into that kind of situation, lalo na kung hindi ka pa handa. Okay? Kasi 5th house is also about children. So, baka pagsisihan mo, lalo na kung hindi ka pa ready to have kids. Or makabuntis, ganon. Oo. So, let's see what else. You have the 8 of coins. So, this is focusing on your material wealth, your career, yung source of income mo. You also have the Queen of Swords. Medyo cold yung energy nyo ngayon, Capricorn. I feel like you don't want to be distracted by anyone. And with the 9 of Cups, there's some sort of fulfillment and happiness coming in sa inyo. Related sa finances ninyo or sa mga projects ninyo. I feel like you are seeing, nakikita mo na yung resulta or yung improvement ng mga nasimulan mong projects, business, trabaho. And maaring doon ka rin kumukuha ng inspiration mo ngayon to work harder, to learn more, to master your skill, to master your craft. You also have the Justice card. So this is bringing balance into your life. So like what I mentioned kanina, maaring merong struggle sa bahay tsaka sa career mo. Yung mga responsibilities mo rin sa bahay at sa career, trabaho, ay parang somehow mas nagpo-focus ka sa career mo, and then napapabayaan mo yung family or yung bahay or vice versa. Nagfo-focus ka lang sa bahay or yung mga kailangan mong ayusin sa bahay at napapa-absent ka or hindi ka nagiging productive sa trabaho. So, kailangan lang you balance your time, manage your priorities. Alam mo kung ano yung dapat mong unahin para at least marami kang na-accomplish. Ayan. And of course, if there is something na nagdi-distract sa'yo ngayon, kung alam mong distraction yun, umiwas ka na doon, no? Para mas marami kang magawa at mas maging fulfilling sa'yo yung mga pinagkakaabalahan mo ngayon. Okay? So, that is your reading, Capricorn. Kung nagustuhan nyo ito, naka-resonate kayo, mag-comment kayo dyan, like, share, subscribe, para lagi kayong updated sa ating mga readings. Thank you so much, Capricorn. See you again.